The software has fully customizable checkboxes. Let me show you how it is. So you go into a report. This is my laptop over here. I'm going to add a checkbox to a report over here because it's easier to do in my laptop instead of on my phone over here. So let me show you. Let's see. I'm going to go to the plumbing section. Plumbing section, I don't have any comments, right? We don't have any comments, no comments. Let me add a comment. Just like normal, I'm just going to add a comment, location of shutoff valve, right? And that's a text box, and it shows up here on my phone. But maybe I don't want to type text about the location of the shutoff box. Maybe I want a checkbox. So I'm going to add a comment, and I can create a checkbox. So let's create a checkbox, and it's called water shut off location, or whatever you want to do. You can add any title to any checkbox because it's totally customizable. What are the locations? Well, it could be in the basement. Let's add that. It could be in the crawl space. Let's add that. It could be undetermined. Let's add that. It could be anything you want. Now, this checkbox under this component of a system is in my report. I can click it, and it's clicked over here. I can also click crawl space on my mobile device. Sorry, there's my mobile device. See, I can, oh, maybe it's not in crawl space. So I take that off, right? And then what does it look like in the report? Well, water shut off location, basement. So what's it look like in the report? Let's go see what it looks like in the report. And remember, where are we? We're in the report, and it's under plumbing and water shut off location. So here's the report. And we scroll down to plumbing, and it's water shutoff location. There it is, water shutoff location, basement. So it changes that checkbox that you fully customized, that you created in just a couple seconds, into this bullet list. If you had multiple choices, they would all be there. And nothing that is unchecked would appear in your report. So unchecked items don't appear in the report. Only the things that you check would be in the report. And you can put this check box anywhere you want in your report under any system. The type of chimney, the type of roof covering. You want to do roof covering? Let's do it. So add a checkbox. What do you want to call it? Roof covering type. And then this is customized to you. So if you're in an area and you never see slate, don't put slate. So just type in asphalt. What other one? I can't think of any. Tile, and paper. That would be a good roof covering material, or other. So when you're on an inspection and you want to see other, right? Oh, we're at the roof. So let's go with roof. And then we're at the roof covering. So, you type in other, and you can type in whatever you want there, and you just add it. And so it's totally customizable, right? Check boxes, customized by you, and whatever you select will be printed in the report, and the other things are not printed in the report. That's dumb. Other softwares do that. All right. Have fun adding checkboxes to your software report. Bye.